Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn off autoplay on the Facebook. So if you are scrolling your Facebook and your videos on the Facebook will automatically play when you scroll the page of the Facebook. So simply you can turn that off by doing this process. So first of all, open your Facebook and you have to click on the three lines on the right top and you will see page like this. Now scroll up and you will see a settings and the privacy, and in the settings and the privacy you will see a settings button. Tap on it and it will redirect you to this type of the page. Now scroll up, go to the bottom and you have to search for the media and the contact. Simply tap on it and here you will see autoplay option. Simply tap on it and you have to select this never autoplay videos. So once you will select this, your video will be not automatically play while scrolling. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.